In this video, you'll learn how to hide hidden groups in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to streamline your database view and remove any unwanted clutter from your workspace. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing in to your account. Once you are signed in, open the database that contains the groups you wish to manage. Before proceeding, ensure that grouping is enabled in your current view. It's also important to identify which groups are hidden or empty. Confirm that you have editing permissions for this database, as this will allow you to make necessary adjustments. Next, locate the group settings option within your database. This can typically be found in the top right corner or within the database menu. Click on this option to access the grouping configuration settings. Here, you will have the ability to disable the display of empty or hidden groups if such an option is available. Once you have made your selections, apply the changes immediately. After making these adjustments, observe how the database view updates to reflect your changes. After the database view has been updated, take a moment to review the cleaner layout. If necessary, you can rename the view to better reflect its new configuration. This is an important step as it helps maintain organization within your workspace. If you are collaborating with others, consider sharing the updated version of the database to ensure everyone is on the same page. Moving forward, try to avoid re-enabling hidden groups unnecessarily, as this will help maintain a tidy structure. Finally, ensure that all changes are saved properly. Notion usually saves updates automatically, but it's a good practice to double check. This final step confirms that the unwanted groups are hidden and your database is organized as intended. You have now successfully hidden groups in Notion, enhancing your workspace's clarity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.